Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and I'm making a video to let you know about an upcoming rally that Volunteer Audio is going to be attending. We're actually going to be in Red Lodge, Montana at the Beartooth rally. We're going to do that July 17th through July 20th. This is a small rally. Normally about 4,500 bikes or so come in, but we're going to be there. I'm going to be there. Rick Snyder, our lead tech's going to be there. Samantha's going to be there. And if you're going to be in the area, we would love to meet you. So come by and visit us. We're going to be with the Good Vibrations team. That's a dealer out of Bozeman, Montana. They're going to be set up at the rally along with some of the factory techs from Hertz. So Chris McNulty from Hertz is going to be there. Rob Wimp's going to be there. So between all of us, we're going to have about 5 installers at a smaller rally, and I'm very OCD about installs. If any of you have watched my videos, you know that. I think this team is going to be really, really strong. I think there's no doubt you're going to get a great install if you show up and come visit us. But most of all, I just want to meet you. So come by the booth. We're going to be set up next to the Red Lodge Fire Department. We're going to have a great location there, but I want you to come by the Hertz booth. Listen to our systems in person. If you've never had a chance to do that, we're going to have our 2024 CVOST there with our A to B system, with our full Hertz system. We're also going to have Project 5.0 with the Soundstream Reserve V2 and the system with the 8s in the lids. You're going to love that system. I want you to come by and hear it. But most of all, I just want to meet you. We love the relationships we're able to make. This is a beautiful area. If you've never rode over the Beartooth Pass, now is your time. While you're in the area, you can visit places. You're about an hour from Cody, Wyoming. You're not far from Yellowstone. Plenty of amazing riding out there in God's country. We'll have Soundstream Reserve radios there on site for installation. We'll be doing full Hertz audio systems installed. Many, many great deals going to be there, and I hope to see you there. So again, July 17th through the 20th. Now, you know, Volunteer Audio we don't go to many rallies because I worry about rushed installs. So the guys from Good Vibrations in Bozeman, Montana, they're not new to this. They are really, really good at installing in Harleys. They're really excellent techs. We're going to have, like, again, factory support with Chris McNulty coming in from Hertz. Rick, our lead tech's going to be there, and I'm going to be there. So we know that as small a rally as this is, there's no doubt nothing's going to be rushed. It's all going to be done like you would normally expect it if you came in here and visited us. And I'll be listening to every bike at the end. I'd love to meet you. I'd love to get your system put in. And I'd love to watch and see that look on your face as you get to hear it for the first time, as your bike sounds amazing. All right, so at this event, you're going to have beautiful, beautiful riding, and there's going to be poker runs every day. They also do this really cool thing called the Iron Horse Rodeo. So yes, they do a rodeo with motorcycles. So that's going to be interesting to see as well. If you've never experienced this kind of ride, or maybe you're already coming in, comment below, let me know about it, because this is one of the very, very not well-known rallies. This isn't a Sturgis, it's not a Daytona. This is a small rally out in God's country, and I'd love to know, have you been there? What did you think about it? But from what I know, it's been growing every year, and I think this will be maybe the first time that there's been an audio vendor there. So pretty small rally, but I think you would really enjoy coming and visiting us. If you can't make the rally, don't forget, we're having a huge sale right now on Hertz audio and a bunch of Soundstream radios. Visit volunteeraudio.com to see that. We've got great deals right now on your complete packages. And if you still want to come in and have it installed, you can come to Tennessee, visit us here. Give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. We'd love to talk about your bike, your build, your budget, put together that perfect system for you, and have you come in here and visit us here in the beautiful Smoky Mountains area of East Tennessee. Now, if you're thinking about coming to the rally, if you want to book an appointment ahead of time, go ahead and reach out to Good Vibrations in Bozeman, Montana. They're going to be handling all the scheduling. They're going to be the ones, they are the dealer that's on site. We're just going in as sales support to help them out. But give them a call. It's a great team. Hope to see you there. If you plan on being there, comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, God bless.